The funniest part of everything that happened in this match between FC Porto and Inter Miami is that when Lionel Messi scored, most of Lionel Messi fans were not happy. What was your reason, bro? Like waiting bet in the cause. I know, but anyways, it was a very very nice game from Inter Miami, bro. I was never expected that because everybody doubted Inter Miami, both Messi fans and Ronaldo fans. We never thought that Inter Miami were going to win FC Porto. FC Porto were poor in this game. I have never seen them this poor before. I never knew that Inter Miami were going to win them because I doubted Inter Miami 100%. But at the end of the day, it is football. Football is unpredictable. What a sweet free kick from the second goal to Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi scoring the winning goal for Inter Miami. It was an amazing free kick. I was never believed that Inter Miami are going to win FC Porto. Honestly speaking, bro, honestly speaking, kudos to Inter Miami. Congratulations to them. They are stepping up small, small. I hope that they are going to make it.